Hello, viewers. A very good morning and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, let us talk about important matters. Team Chamisa was in Bedbridge yesterday, Matabeleland South. Is it Bedbridge? I'm not so sure. Bedbridge or Rwanda, but they were in Matabeleland South province, where they were mobilizing and galvanizing support for President Advocate Nelson Chamisa. So disregard all propaganda from ZANU-PF kuti Chamisa apera, Chamisa ndiye ari kurira, Chamisa ndiye ane chaunga, Chamisa ndiye ane vanhu. And it has been proven by these mobilization programs. So I believe that Matabeleland South is probably the last province Yamanga consultation. I'm not so sure. Yes, they did Harare, which means this is the last province which they were supposed to have consultations. We saw them in Mandikaland, we saw them in Marsh East, we saw them in Marsh West, Harare, Masvingo Province, Mat North, Blawayo, and Midlands Province. They were there. So it's exciting to Zimbabwe to see this team probably in Matabeleland South, which means anytime from now, we can actually start to expect President Nelson Chamisa to announce the way forward. But he's not rushing to anywhere. So let us take a look on what is happening there. So this is very interesting, Team Zimbabwe, to note that Team Chamisa is not stopping anytime soon, and they're dedicated, and they're making sure that they don't leave any stone unturned. You know, sometimes we might not know each other with this team in Mat South, other teams in Mat North, other teams in other provinces, but we have the same cause. We are all attached to Advocate Nelson Chamisa. That is the center stage. That is the point of convergence. That is Nelson Chamisa. So personally, I'm grateful to the strides being made by this team, which is moving around the country, trying to make sure that we resolve the political impasse in the nation of Zimbabwe. You know, there is nothing which is going to cure whatever which is happening in Zimbabwe, except the fact that we have to accept that we have to work and make things right. So ZANU-PF will try, but this is a revolution, and the revolution does not end in a day. It doesn't take. You don't expect to complete a revolution in a day. It's a struggle. You are fighting with the system. You are not fighting to be included in the system. You are fighting a system, which means there are certain people who feel that they were supposed to be there for more time or for longer time. And vanga vakatogadzira vana vavo kuti ndo vachaita take over in relatives avo. But when you come and say this is a revolution. You need to step down. We need to take over. Then it becomes a problem. So you take time to dismantle a system. It's not done in a day. But I'm glad that ZANU-PF is doing the bigger part for us. The bigger bidding is being done by ZANU-PF. They are destroying their own system, Panchavo. By trying to destroy Nelson Chamisa, they are destroying themselves. So a lot of people will say Chamisa Pera, Chamisa this, Chamisa that, but I can assure you, I can tell you, New Great Zimbabwe is coming. Personally, I do not care about my fate in life. What would be my life? I know for sure that change will come to the nation of Zimbabwe. Whether I'm alive, whether I'm dead, change will come to the nation of Zimbabwe. And that is the fact. It's something we cannot argue about. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. I'm so excited that Team Chamisa in Matabeleland South so don't mind the propaganda. This team is intact, this team is working together, and everything is flowing according to plan. So I don't want to waste much of your time, and this is what I had for you this morning. Just put it in mind, you have to subscribe. You have to ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out each and every time we will go live or we will post an update, because we have to post updates each and every day. Now post update. Now just know we have gone to work somewhere, and we'll be doing some things which are more important. Just remember we have some projects which we need to run so that we sustain our lives. Social media is super, especially in Zimbabwe, because of the cost of data and everything else, network challenges, etc. So it's difficult for us to cope, and I'm glad that we are trying by all means possible. So sometimes content shoma balance from other angles and from other sides, but particularly free will come each and every day 24/7 and make sure that we talk about what is happening in Zimbabwe. ZBC zvakaora, ZBC zvakadhakwa, and we need to deal with that.